I was again looking into trying to get the music, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I don't know, man. I need to get like Restream. Restream seems to have everything I need, but it costs money. I don't have money.
Yeah, it's a scam. I swear, you pay, you get money for streaming, but you
Yeah. Mm.
pay it.
But I think as soon
Not
that's
to
probably
mention.
one of the things I would invest into because I'm live daily, so it would just be a benefit for everybody if I just did it. But you know. Anyways, guess I did though buy the intern.
Nah.
Yeah.
For real did.
Yeah, yeah. And guess what I have gotten done? I have had it running now for like
That's
hours.
crazy.
Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, what did you have got done?
Hello, penguin operator. No, for real, like nothing has worked since I started it. I tried to fix the dynamic library thing, so I left it for running when I did the meal prepping and went to store and well, it did a good summary on what it had tried, and it's insolvable. It cannot be solved. Like I have to make it a static library if I want it to work. But it's okay. It's only when I exit the application that it gets a seg fault, so that's fine. Then I don't care as long as it's not during runtime. You know. So I think it's fine. Let's see. Just gonna try hello there. Let's see. Does it show up? Yes, it does show up. All right. Boom. But yeah. So just gonna not care, I guess. And when I actually do the release build, of course, then I will not use dynamic libraries because then it doesn't need to be. It's only in development that I need dynamic libraries. So, yeah. It's fine. It tried all sorts of things. It even tried to use the C binding, and then it tried. I was like considering asking if we should just do the C++, but I was like, that's not gonna solve anything. You're gonna have the same issues just with more extern and shit going on. Like, yeah, that makes sense. I want to do a quick
Harold.
Yes.
reset, or how do I revert back?
Wait, the bucket tool should be able to fill this also when it's wet, right?
What? Yes.
Bucket tool should be able to fill this even though the background is wet, right?
I don't know what this is, but yeah, probably.
Yeah, just a circle. So
Reset head. Yeah. That's what I want to do. So it's git reset. Was it dash head? No, head. Okay, head, and then the squiggly one. So very nice. There's the only reason why I wanted to do that is because I just did a few comments which were not necessary. And I also moved debug vertex. Don't know why it's still there. Let's see. But now what? It didn't. No, it didn't even reset. It still has the. What the hell? Nah. Uh-oh. Do another one. Why won't it just... Hello? Is it even doing the thing that I think it's supposed to do? It's still commented. Wait, do I have to provide like a flag that uses this commit wrong, but is the commit is removed? Okay, wait. But I want to undo, you want to completely discard the last commit? Yes, okay, so dash dash hard. Okay. Nice. Yes. Yeah. No, that's not what I wanted. Start to work on the player physics bit on... what the fuck just happened? What? I just did one. Wait, git log. Started to work on the player physics bit unused. No. It went a few more commits back than it should have. I thought I said 1. Or was that like meaning relative to all of the other ones that I did? Oh, yikes. It's okay. It will... Let's see. Like so. And now git log. Because I didn't push it. Yeah, okay, now we're back at it. Good. Yeah, now it's correct. Woo! That was a close one. I could have fucked up real good there. Luckily for me, I'm not a total dumbass. Always. That's okay. Yes, that's actually perfect. That's exactly where I want to be. Yes. No, wait, that's not where I want. What the fuck is this thing doing over here? It should be in there. Well, I got 2 of them now. Delete it. I don't care about that one. Spit on it. Debug, there we are. Alright, I'm gonna grab some water real quick. Alright, I'm back with water and yeah. Oh shit, I already dropped 64% of the frames. Ah, damn! Oh my god. Dropping frames. Alright, so we're gonna create this vertex kind of shader. Let's see, how well can I do it without looking anything up? I don't even know how to do a main shader. Is it just main? main? Void main? Probably it's not. Is it? A little bit of inspiration we're gonna take from actually like that vertex. Let's see. Hello, is this a game? Hello, Laminant RPX and Kaya Hi Sigmaster. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you. Yeah, no, yeah, it's gonna be a game. It's still in very early stage. We're gonna get there. Trust me, bro. Yeah. I think I still need to provide this information because I use the same vertex data even though it's just debug, which is kind of unnecessary. For the debug I don't need. Maybe I should just create a completely separate thing for the debug. Like, why not? Why not? Why not? Fuck. I'm already creating a separate shader. Might as well go through the extent of not caring about UVs, normals, colors, and position is like the only thing that I actually care about. That could literally be I don't.
Guys, I'm playing a strategy game, and this might be the battle of the ages here. Not gonna lie.
Bad.
I'm so cooked though, but it's alright.
Damn. I'm gonna take this though. Oh shit! If I take that, I think I might have to include. That I should do either way. Yellow pig. I proud for self. I have 7 people working on one project for my lol named Ezra Engine SDK for my game Red Zone. Very nice, very nice. Okay. No, that's fine. That's fine. We will just see vertex. Okay, great. I hear T-Shep saying something cool now. Push constants.
I accidentally opened YouTube on my phone with full volume.
Why would you do that? That's 4 ears, bro.
Accidentally. I misclicked, bro.
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Yeah, it was totally on purpose.
Yeah, why would you do Vertex buffer? Couldn't one just do well, I guess. I think T-Chef is a crazy person. You know?
Who?
I don't know. He's talking to me. Somebody help me. Sean. Yeah, it's a vec4, but I stored it in a 3. Heel position. At that point, I could literally just go there and just, let's see. I don't care about the out normal, out color. Do I? Yeah, this is literally the only thing I care about.
I made the image walker.
Yeah, what?
An image
Scene
walker.
data view,
Crazy.
render matrix, projection. Scene, I call it scene data. Okay, that's. And then position. Yeah, that's all I really care about. Unless if I want to actually consider color. Which I don't. I really don't want to consider color. Okay. Is there an easy way to duplicate a file? That would be cool. I'll also say LazyVim because I usually have some cool features I don't know about. In LazyVim, is there a easy way to duplicate a file? Fole? It understands. Yes, it's open file tree, yank. Oh, you can just use the same bindings? Nah, no way. So if I do yank like that, files yank, and then I paste it. But I would like to have. Okay, we can paste it in here, and then rename it to frag. I don't know if this is a pathetic way of doing it, and then we can move it here from this to shaders. I think it was, yes, boom, and now it's there. Ah, that's crazy. So we should probably open it as well. Oh wait, it was open? It was probably. Anyway, so now we have the fragment thing, which will pretty much be the same as this one, but we'll remove. We're gonna take in probably none of these. Why would I take in any of those? I wouldn't. But I'm gonna give it an out. I do need this though. Do I need that? Light, texture, color. Yeah, okay, scene data. I'll still use this in here. Okay, I guess we can still take that. I think I have it set up to do that also, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna do that and that. Push constants. It's not it. Feeling a bit odd about that. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. So we'll have the out flag color is equal to a vec4 of what do we have there? We have a color. And this color is, I would like it to be just white. So I think I can just create a vec3. Okay, I'm gonna do a vec3. Color is equal to, and then I think I have to do like this, right? Or am I wrong? But do I care about any of those others? I don't. I really don't. So why not just do this? And just call it a day. Well, we'll see. We'll see. So, yeah. With that, open up the renderer. And then here, we will go through here. Let's see, here's the pipe creating the shaders. My internet today is shito. Don't worry, mine seems to be bad too. I have dropped 64% of my frames, so I think you are not having the. I think it's your internet is fine. It's mine that's success or something. Yeah. If I could, I would probably start using. Let's see, restream. It seems to be really good. It seems to be able to provide music, and if I would only have to stream there, wow. And then they would stream to all of the other streaming platforms, so the bandwidth would, because I have shitty bandwidth, but I think they have better service, right? They would just restream it, and then Harold could also administrate the view, you know, so if something looks bad, he could just go and put a frog there for no reason or something like that, you know?
I mean, everything looks bad to me.
No, damn. Error buffer reference require extension, not buffer GLF. Damn, I missed that. Which one was it? It was the vertex one, yeah. I need the extension also from... so yeah, okay. I still wonder, do I really need to use this? Can I not just... Well, I guess I have to, because I can't really... Yeah. Wait, what? Like so. And then we'll go up to the top, and we'll put it there, and after the version, of course, and bam! And now it should be... Oh yeah, it does it automatically. Yeah, okay, now it seems to compile. Is there anything else I have to do? Let's see. No, it wasn't happy. No, wait, it is happy. I think it's lying now. What's going on over here? Let's do that. Yeah, it seems to be fine. I don't know. And then Sigbil run. See what it does. Oh, yeah, I forgot. That's also another thing I should take care of, but we don't care about it right now. It's not the main concern. There it is. Good. Seems to be fine besides the freeing. That's a problem. Oh yeah, I have physics. Okay, yeah, there you see it. It's I forgot to free some VMA stuff. It's fine. So now in the renderer, I'm gonna make the assumption that everything is fine besides that free part. And gonna go to this thing. So what goes on over here is that I'm gonna take each collider, and then I'm gonna ask if it's a box. Well, then it's gonna be quite convenient for us if it is a box, because then we can render it. And what we will draw is the box. Shit, I need to start hot reloading the fucking renderer now. Oh no. Because the thing is, oh, that's so funny. It's so funny. I should really move the renderer to the systems rather than having it as a separate thing, because right now it's kind of problematic that well, yeah, that the renderer is not like, it's super annoying that you have to oh my god, what am I opening? If you're using Vulkan, are you gonna add ray tracing? No, not for this one. I don't see the usage for that. Ray tracing is a whole nother thing. Probably sometime, but like I don't care about the graphics, like the look of it. I want low poly. That's what I want. Yeah. I mean, honestly, this is all that I need. I wouldn't need the render. I could just put the render in the same system and then let it take care of that. Except, no, I could. Why not? Why shouldn't I? Why? I think it will be pretty good. Yeah. And then just let the reload take care of if there is anything that needs to be pre-emptied, and then well, that's a bit misleading. Funny. System real lookup, it takes the new reload and then the system updates. This is actually more like but system updates, and then it will be called in the renderer, taking care of everything perfectly there, and I wouldn't have to worry about it in the main loop. But there's one thing that I need to worry about, and that is, well,
What is slow cooking?
I don't need that. I could actually just, why not? Like, systems init. And then system init, it takes in the systems, which itself would be the, yeah. The only thing is that might be a little bit.
Guys, if this works now, I will jump in the air. Holy shit. It worked! Yeah, cinema. Holy shit.
Alright,
Holy
Pig is
shit.
going. Okay, see ya, Pig. I think again, it's not his internet. It's just my thing that's broken. My internet is so fucking shit.
Yeah, Harold, by the way,
Yeah.
I don't need the image broker anymore.
Chris.
It was a short time. Holy shit.
Why am I making the init system an extern or export? I don't think that's really necessary. I could just have a reload and then put the pre to false for the init. It's a bit discouraging, but it's also like a bit like, I don't need this in here. And then the same for the renderer, I would just call the refresh. It's a bit ugly though to well, I could also just call reload from here instead. That would be a bit cleaner. Let's see. Could I not do that? Reload. Oh my. And then just pass this in here. So allocator world and bool. Allocator world and then bool false. That should do the same thing. With a small thing that it returns a U32. So can I catch? Nah, we're gonna do this. If return turn error. Expected optional value found U32. Okay. If I haven't say, can I not? Expected optional. What do you mean expected optional? I don't use optional anywhere in this place. Harold, help!
You suck, that's all I can say, man. You just learned sick.
Yeah, I'm trying to learn it, but it's not working.
Nah, okay, but yes.
This thing I'm trying to get rid of.
So.
Oh wait, but I have to assign this actually to the system.
What does reload return?
Never mind. Forget what I was trying to say, and I know what I need to do. No, wait, I don't know what I need to do. Now, expected optional type found U32. Is it just that?
Guys, is there a good way to save an undo state before a bucket fill tool? Because there's no way, right? You need to store the whole section of a bucket fill.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
For like if you do a bucket action and then you're wondering if you undo it, like what should you
if
store
you
for
want,
information?
yeah.
Do you have like
For example, till now I just stored like the.
Do you have like there's probably like a good like just Google or GPT like an answer to that. Like there's probably like people have implemented a bucket like 100 million times already, so you could probably just find a pretty good answer to that question. I would say. Unless if you want your own painstakingly implemented method, I guess, but I would probably just Google because I think there's probably like people who have already done it a million times. But yeah, Harold. I'm actually lost now. Is he here?
Yeah.
Okay, he is here. So, expected optional type found bool. Am I not supposed to do like? Can I not capture it like this, or am I?
No, because you're doing not equals 0. Like what is this? You can't capture a boolean. What does reload return?
It returns a U32, and if it's not 0, then I want to capture it and return it. Continue returning it, basically.
Yeah, well, you can't just capture random shit.
What? Well, then I will change it to be.
Yeah, and I can only capture some stuff. Just to store it, and then if it's blah blah blah, then you do return it something.
So you cannot do some fancy stuff with that, really?
No, bro, this ain't C++.
Damn.
No operator overloading here.
Yeah, no. What should I call it? It's just creating the actual. Okay, it's actually very misleading that if I start to use it for something else. Nah, it's fine. It's actually a system in it. Kind of like. Reloadable systems. That's not a reloadable. Systems. If reloadable systems, then I'll just return reloadable systems. What the fuck? Yeah. And then we'll just return 0. That should work the same way, I think. Expected. Okay. There's an error somewhere. That's fine. Let's see. Yeah. And that should still work if I go now to, for example, physics. And we go down to here and we remove the print. Yeah. Everything works fine except for the exit, but that's okay. So what we can do is, what the hell? Let's see, if I go to the build, I think we can pretty much get rid of the we're gonna have the world module, yes, and then the renderer here. All of this we just get together with this. Sig and Rust. Nice. What? I do have a little bit of Rust in this thing, but it's gonna be removed, or it's actually it's not even used anymore. I was dabbling with the multiplayer stuff and used Spacetime DB, and yeah, but now just because of having to make the connection, like translating, making binding for Sig, and then hooking up with Rust, it's like it's just too much pain. I'm just gonna rewrite everything in Sig instead. So we're not using Spacetime anymore. If they had a C binding, I would probably continue using C. I mean Spacetime. I can watch. Yeah. Okay. Your stream keeps buffering. Yep. It's not good. Sorry, guys. I hate a lot. Yeah, I think I could get rid of this thing. The only problem is that it has a slightly... Oh, it doesn't have to be removed. Does it? Maybe it does. Is the renderer referenced inside of systems? It is. Well, what we can change it is to be a static library inside of systems. I think that could be fine. Yeah, that's fine. And then we'll get rid of everything. Yeah, so we will start from first moving everything from the main should not should not. Okay. Because then I could move this thing away from the main as well. The only thing that is really needed here is the window creation in the main. We'll get rid of this thing from here. This thing would probably also be moved. We wouldn't even need, I think, anything to do with the renderer, because the renderer would have to exist still within the main. No, it can live actually inside of the systems. Because I don't want anything to be persistent in the renderer when you do a hot reload. Or do I? I don't think I do. Well, we'll for now just do one thing at a time. I think we will start from this thing. This should not happen in the main anymore. So we're gonna take it away. And then we're gonna resolve all of the problems that will occur with that. So this thing, both of these actually, and then we will not initialize it from here. I think we will still keep it here. That's okay. Let's see. That means that this thing will have to. Yeah, that's okay. What the hell just happened? No. Like that. And there's some other errors. Unused. So now the render config is unused. That's okay. Now that we initialize the systems here, systems init, we will take in the systems, and now it does also take in the renderer, so that's already convenient as hell. So I could also take this thing away from here, but put it inside systems. Yeah, that will also work with the hot reloading. That's fucking crazy if it does. Holy shit, that's crazy. Wait a fucking minute. Wait. I would like to have it a little bit more clean somewhere. Maybe like system utils. Let's see, what do we have? We have a systems folder. We could actually do. We could do. Yeah, we could. Let's see, how bad is this idea, alright? So we're gonna do source. Systems. And then here we're gonna create. I think it's just renderer, render utils. That's so misleading. But it is what it is. It's actually what it is. Unless I use the c.sig. I'm gonna go to render utils for now. Sig. Is that? Yeah, render utils.sig. We are gonna put it in there. What the hell is going on? I didn't even know I could do that. How did I do that? How did I create another one of... Okay, there, boom. Paste that there. How do I paste it? Okay, bam, easy, nailed it, first try. But then I have to take in SDL. Do I do that? In the, let's see, systems. I do have access to SDL, so it's fine. Or if I don't want to complicate it already, I could also just, I could actually keep it still. See if we can do, delete that. Let's delete that one, and we go back into the systems, and then in here, when you create the thing, I think we need, yikes, there's a bit of a problem there. Okay. I need, what do I need? Yeah, I need the render before I need this thing. But I need the... I need this thing before I do this thing. But I want to do the renderer either before this exists and can exist before. But now I don't have the config. So I have to pass it in. Yep. Or I would store the config in here, but the thing is that fuck, I don't have the thing, so we'll just do this. But I think if I can get this to work, we can make it really nice. We can clean it up, but just need to try it out first. Allocate to the world. Let's just take in the config for now again. No, can I can do that. Yeah. I think no, it's not worth it. This is more worth it. Config. Render. Config. We're taking it in even in the hot preload, even though it doesn't make much sense, but for now, and then if it works, then I will move it. If it doesn't, then I will probably cry a little bit and then we'll continue. So what we'll do is we can take in this thing, and then we can pass in the render config, like so. And I think it will want the catch. Catch error return at int from error. error. Save that, and then what? Expected to found what tail? Oh, it's the making it. Yes. Yeah, they're not. And then I want to change what the reload system. We're probably gonna, if this works, we're gonna remove it as quickly as we add it, but just to see that it works. That config, like so. Yeah, you can go to main, and then it should take us straight to the problem. Straight to the problem. There it is. And then, why would you do that? I press Control and then it goes. What is it like splitting? What if I go Control Shift then? Okay, good to know. Control P. Where the fuck are you going? Control M? Come on. Okay, whatever. We'll take like this. Now you cannot fuck that up. Good. And now we're passing the config. What do I call it? Do I just call it render? Render. An Ethernet cable rated with viewer count 22. What the hell? Okay, thanks. Then we're passing the config in there, and let's see. Okay, so in theory, I think this should work. In practice, okay. Let's see. It broke. Oh, that makes sense. Iterate, yay! Hello, Team 11.
Are you waiting?
Is there anything else on SIG going on right now? Trying out Sheevius the machine.
Oh.
The guy's name is SIG. Software and development. Can we find something really fun and interesting? Unreal Engine. That's pretty cool, I guess. Linux malware analysis. That sounds pretty. That's something I would like to. Let's go for that one. All right, Harold, you can hit it. We'll end the stream, but I will send you guys over to this thing. Bye bye.
Okay, wait, let's see its reaction. Wait, is he in a how's it called? Disassembler?
Well, we'll see. I'm still live though on Twitch and everything, just to make sure that I actually get the raid over. I don't know how long I need to be live.